In the previous tutorial, I have explained how to create a new file. To create a new file, go to File, New, or press Ctrl N from the computer keyboard and select Path and click on OK. So this is a modeling interface of Solidworks. At the top, I have the menu bar which consists of list of tools such as File, Edit, View, Insert, etc. And below the menu bar, I have the Command Manager in which list of toolbars such as Surfaces, Sheet Metal, and Render tools are placed. And on my left side of my window, I have the model tree. In the model tree, I have various planes and origin. At the bottom, I have this motion study toolbar. On my bottom right corner, I have this unit system. Currently, it is mmgs, which stands for millimeter gram seconds, and this is called the graphics area, and in which our model is shown. And this is the view toolbar, which consists of list of various display styles and rendering options.